welcome back to SS Beauty's YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited because we're playing the telepathy challenge, which basically means that I get to shop for makeup and I get to understand whether he actually pays attention to what I'm saying or not, which means two birds and one very glamorous stone.
Well, you have no idea. She lives for these kind of challenges. Just imagine, she gets to go crazy in a makeup heaven while I need to pick what kind of foundation, lip gloss that she likes. And if we pick the same product, she gets to keep them. No stress at all.
The rules are very simple. This is how it works. I'll be shopping on my side of the store.
And I'll be banished to the other side like a lost child in a mall.
At the end, we come together, we reveal the products. If the products are the same, I get to keep them. But if they are not, he doesn't get to keep me.
What? Bring it on, man.
Since we're doing makeup, it makes sense to start with the base first. We'll go for foundation. And my go-to has always been Clinique. So let's pick from there. Okay, see, I think that this matches my shade, but the problem is I don't think Arhan has a concept of like matching shades. I don't think he's going to understand at all. But I usually like to go for Clinique because it's pretty lightweight, so I can wear it to my dance classes also. But I'm just scared that he's not going to be able to understand how to match a shade.
Okay, so we're going to start with foundation first. Man, all of these look the exact same. Honestly, I've seen her use Clinique and Bobbi Brown multiple times. I feel like I'm going to go with this one for now. I really hope I get it right.
Next, we're moving to a concealer. Now, I've been eyeing the Bobbi Brown concealer since a while. So let's pick a shade. Okay, this shade matches perfectly. The only thing is that I'm sure that Arhan does not know what a concealer is because he's never talked about a concealer. But I'm just going to take advantage of the opportunity because what if? So I'm going to take this one.
Okay, now we're going to go to the concealers. What shade do you think she would wear over there? Of her skin tone match. My girlfriend sitting right there. This one? I need a little bit of help. I'm going to cheat. I believe in what you say. Done. I'll pick this one for the concealer.
What? Okay, I have a bit of a confession. I have thoda sa blush blindness. So I'm going to get myself a blush from Smashbox. I'm going to be really disappointed if Arhan gets this one wrong because he has seen me apply this multiple times. So he has to get this one right.
Secondly, we're going to talk about the blushes, and I have a very confident feeling because she speaks about Smashbox all the time. Yep. This shade in particular, she speaks about a lot. I feel like it's this one.
Next, we're going to go grab a highlighter. तो मुझे लगता है कि अरहान को बुक वाले हाइलाइटर के अलावा और कोई हाइलाइटर नहीं समझता. So it's not even that I don't think that he's going to get this right. I don't think he's going to know what it is actually.
Honestly, I can't find where the highlighter. Ma'am, where can I find highlighters for the same girl?
Yeah, okay. You want to try this one?
Done. So I think I'll take that one which I told you.
Sure.
Okay.
This is the fresh one.
There you go. Thank you so much.
If you know Arhan, you know that he's exceptional at rage baiting. So that's one thing about him. I'll pick from the perspective of what I think he's going to find cool. And I think he would go for this one because it looks like really in and cool. Also, he knows that I love pink and he likes me in pink more than in red. So I think he's going to pick this one.
See, I've seen something very colorful in the midst of a lot of black. Looks very cool to me. They're mascaras, and I'm just going to pick this one, honestly. I don't even know if she likes it. I just find it very cool.
He knows that I love pink. I'm usually a matte person when it comes to lips, but I do love some glitter when it comes to my eyes. Pretty, na? I think I'm going to go with the blue one.
So we're going to look at the eyeshadows now. There they are. And she really likes the bluish purple tones. Frankly, this one, right, in specific, because of how sparkly it is, she really likes this particular tone. I feel like this is the one.
We'll move on to lipsticks now. I always wear this one with this liner. He has to get this one right.
Okay, so now to the most basic unit of fashion makeup in my opinion is the lipstick. And she usually uses the more darker brownish maroonish shades. So out of all of these are just out of my horizon. And from these, specifically this shade of brown, I feel like she would be using this one at least. Next to the lip liner, what's the difference between the two of them? I don't know. But again, something brownish, something maroonish. This one, both of these kind of go hand in hand. So lipstick same hai to lip liner bhi same hoga. So I'm going to be picking this for the lip liner.
Moving on to Arhan's favorite part, fragrances. You know, I can't lie, I'm actually really tempted to buy this one, but I know that Arhan will identify my signature scent anywhere.
Okay, so now to the fragrances. I've seen this heel in her cupboard many a times. I cannot pronounce that. I don't want to butcher the name. Yep, that sounds about right. I'm pretty sure I'm bang on about this because I've seen this exact same product in her cupboard multiple times. I'm going to be picking this one then.
Now my basket is complete. Let's see what Arhan has picked for me.
I think I have all my items and I've done pretty well. Let's go to the telepathy round and see if she gets them right.
Hi. Oh my god! Okay. Okay, moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
Should we see whether you're gonna buy me all these things or not?
I'm not going to buy you any.
Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna say 3 to 1. On a scale of 1 to 10, say how well you think you must have done. Okay?
Done.
3, 2, 1,
7.
6. Okay, we were close. We were close.
I'm right. Okay, so pick one item and then I'll pick one item.
Okay, we start in order. What's the first thing that goes in order?
Lipstick.
You start the makeup with lipstick.
What do we start with?
Abhi, you start with the base of things, no?
Base. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Okay.
Done.
What is the base? He's saying, okay, chalo, done, as if he knows what base
No, I
is.
picked out a base. I know it. It's here only.
Pick out the base. Bro, that was only a base.
This is a base. No, I knew it.
What is written on it?
Bobbi Brown.
Arey, dumb boy. It's written your foundation.
Foundation.
So foundation is the base.
Foundation and base are
Yeah.
the same thing.
You've seen this box around because of the next product.
Okay.
But good choice. What do you like it when your girlfriend likes the base of the product? Baby ko base pasand hai. Kind of funny, right?
Okay. Next product.
Okay, nice.
Which one of Millie Bobby Brown?
What?
Bobbi Brown.
Which
no?
one of Bobbi Brown did you use?
So the Bobbi Brown box that you've seen lying around is the Bobbi Brown concealer.
Okay. Oh, I jumbled the two
So you
brands up.
swapped the two brands.
Okay.
But
Well, I
it's
got
not
the
good.
brands right, so
Yeah,
I got the
yeah.
Clinique concealer.
Yeah, good choice.
I'm
What
gonna
is the
pick
concealer?
next. It conceals something on your face. I'm going to pick the next one to be perfumes, and I'm pretty sure
Oh
I've
my
gotten
God,
this, even
yeah.
the version right.
Yeah,
Because
good
I've seen
job.
this. One, the scent is very strong, and I can figure it out that that's yours. And secondly, I've seen that heel in your
Yeah.
cupboard, so I figured
Correct,
it out.
correct. Yeah. I knew you would get this one.
All right, perfect.
Okay, next.
Lipstick,
Pull out that red thing. What is that red thing?
mascara.
Bro, I literally like this one more, but I
What?
picked out this one because I thought you'll see the pink and you think I like this one.
Better for me. I know. I picked this because it looked cool.
I thought you like the pink, so I picked out the pink, but I actually like the red. But I didn't pick the red because I thought you liked the pink.
Okay, what do we do next?
You want to pick out the next product.
I think I've gotten the eyeshadow correct. I hope I have.
Bro, how do you know this?
Okay, so I've only ever seen you wear blue or purple eyeshadow, and I could see only one in the place that I went. Yeah, so I told the attendant that I wanted that blue sparkly shade.
That's cheat. No, that's cheating.
No, I didn't.
That's cheating. That's cheating,
I
nah.
didn't-
He cheated. I think he cheated. We open my Instagram and show
No, I
her
haven't.
ki I want this.
No, I haven't. I just saw that blue color and she gave
Which
it.
girl told you?
What? Which girl do you think?
Nobody, yeah.
Which
No,
girl?
no girl talks to you.
I have only one
Low-key.
girlfriend.
Okay.
But okay,
Good job. Buy me this now.
1 second. What?
Yeah.
The more I get right, it's not really good for my own bank account.
You know what? I'm actually really impressed that you're getting all of the brands right. Like you messed up too,
Yeah.
but you've gotten all of the brands right.
I'm
So
aware of the broad
I'm
brand
really,
usage.
really. I thought you wouldn't know.
The
Because
small
he's just,
things, gentlemen, it's the small things I tell you.
because he'll just come on me, throw his wallet and keys somewhere, and then that's it. Like I never thought that he would notice anything. Lips.
Done? Let's
Lipstick.
move to it.
Sure.
So frankly, all I've ever seen you use
Oh
is
my
MAC at
god,
home.
bro! I literally don't care that the shades are not fully matching.
So,
I'm
no.
just
That's not a
happy that
match.
I've scored 2 new
You have it.
MAC.
That's not a match.
What? That's not. So you're a bad boyfriend.
Hey, what nonsense, man. I've gotten the brands correct. That makes you pretty good, honestly.
Yeah, exactly. So I get 2 new lip products. That's exactly what I'm saying. But good guess. How did you know that it will be like this maroonish, brownish?
It's always been more towards the dimmer tone.
So you think that there are only 2, brown, maroon, and red?
Yeah,
there
brown,
are no
maroon,
other
red,
colors.
what else is there?
There are no other colors.
Green.
Now highlighter, but before that, what is a highlighter? Please tell me.
It helps your skin glow.
Oh my god, I thought you would say you can use it on books.
I mean, that's the more common one, but
Okay, 3, 2, 1 करके we'll pick. Okay,
done.
3, 2, 1, show.
Smashbox I got. What's yours?
Okay, mine is MAC because MAC.
Oh, MAC again.
Yeah. But not bad. I can keep both. I have absolutely no problem. I'll just keep
That's
both.
against the rules of the games, guys.
Okay,
So
abhi
we have just
blush.
one left. The same box. So let's see if
3,
it's exactly correct.
3, 2, 1, show.
Smashbox Halo.
Shut up. Somebody help you. Somebody help you. Somebody help you. Somebody help you.
Nobody
Bro,
helped
be
me.
honest. Did
Nobody
you show
helped
them
me.
like an Instagram photo and be
Not
like,
at
I
all.
want this?
I did not.
You're lying.
I've got it.
There's no way show.
Are they the same?
Okay, they're a little different. But how did you know the brand? I can't believe
See,
it.
that's not a part of
I
this
can't
game.
believe
Okay, we just have to match it.
I can't,
And we matched it.
I can't believe it. Which girl helped you?
No girl helped me.
Now you
Man.
have to buy me both. You're talking to someone else.
Wait, what do I get? What do I get to win this game? ये काफी नहीं है. It's not enough.
He doesn't love me. Let's
Okay.
see now how much matches.
Done. Let's see what we've gotten correct.
Okay, first is the perfume.
The perfume is
So I
right.
get to keep this.
Then the
Second
eyeshadow.
is-
This one also was right, no?
Yeah, second is the eyeshadow.
So that's pretty much it, right?
No, hello, the MAC
What?
also.
No.
No, why?
The shades were different. You don't get to keep that.
So you have scored only 2 points. He's a bad boyfriend. He has scored only 2.
Wait, what do I get in return? Like, what do I get? Equalized.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I know I enjoyed.
I learned a lot about makeup, to be fair. A lot more of these fun challenges are going to be coming up on this channel, so make sure that you subscribe to follow along.
See you.
Shall we?